What's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy Scotty Gray. Today we're going to be reviewing the Converse Chuck Taylor All-Star 2s. My goodness, that was a mouthful. And like we do it on the show, we're going to get the review done in under a minute. And if you want to skip right to the on feet, there's a timestamp down below and you're good to go. These are the Chuck Taylor 2s in white. I got them from Little Burgundy for about $80 Canadian. Totally worth the purchase price for under $100. And if you don't already know, these do not fit true to size. You got to go half a size down unless you want to look like a clown. According to the website, the shoes made out of premium canvas, so they definitely made upgrades.
Upgrade complete.
And one of the things I really like is that they gave us extra laces with the shoes. These laces, they feel really rugged and sturdy. Good quality laces. Moving on to the upgraded parts of the shoe, the Lunarlon insole. So these insoles make it so much more comfortable to walk around in. They're not like the flimsy Chucks from back in the day. And this is the micro suede lining that they have around the ankle. Makes it a lot more comfortable to walk in. So let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I rate these 4 flames out of 5.
Flame, fire!
So let's get right to the on feet. See you next week.
Hi.
No.